Great news, we have received your approved plans and permit back from the city, and we have scheduled your foundation repairs at our first available installation date listed below this video in this email. Follow these 3 steps to make sure the process is as smooth as possible for you and our team. Step 1. Confirm these dates will work for you listed below this video in this email. If a date opens up sooner for your project, we will reach out to you to see if you're interested in moving up to an earlier installation date. Our crews typically arrive between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. depending on any unforeseen traffic, but they will call you with their ETA once en route. Should any issues delay their arrival, you'll be contacted directly. Step 2. The city may require you to contract a special inspector to be on site to observe certain parts of the project. We have provided a list of companies that our clients have used in the past. These inspectors are familiar with the requirements to repair a home's foundation and will be able to provide you with another form of assurance that your project is going to be completed per the approved plans. Once you have chosen a company, please let us know and we'll have your project's foreman get in contact with them to arrange the required inspections and to collect the required paperwork. Step 3. You'll get an email from us a week before your scheduled start date to inform you on what to expect and how to prepare for your home's foundation repair project. Thank you for choosing Dalinghaus Construction and never settling for an unsafe home.